Hilton Hawaiian Village. I used to be work there. That's the Rainbow Tower, the one in the middle. That's the Grand Waikikian Tower. That's the Karya Tower. That's the
They got like
Grand Arlander Tower. And this is the corner street here where the stoplights. We just ate from here. We went to the IHOP and have breakfast here. We just attended the church service in the beach. This is called Waikiki.